Alright, let's see what these VT 1100 carbs look like after boiling for a couple of days. Yeah, I really like this cleaning solution. Oh, that's clean. Wow, that looks awesome. No more green. No more greenies. Cool beans. Wow, that is really nice looking carburetor assembly. Wow, look at that. Alright. I wonder what those jets look like. I wonder what the combustion chamber on the XR80 looks like. And look at that. There's a little bit of green in the thread, but all that green is gone. A little bit left in the bowl. Hit that with the stainless steel. Wow, everything else came out really clean though. What's that? That little jet was greener than green. Now it's cleaner than clean. There's still just a little bit left in the threads. But I'm really curious to see if that stuff really works on carbon. Oh yeah, look at that. That's the exhaust side. Wow, this XR80 came out clean. Yeah, that exhaust side is clean. Hit it with the scrubby. This little stainless steel brush. But look at that seat. You couldn't even see that before. And you got the copper washer in there. If I don't have another one, I'm just gonna take it out, heat it up until it's red hot, and then put it back in. The gasket's starting to come off. We're just waiting on that gasket. Oh, it came off. Nice. Yeah, we're just waiting on the gasket kit to show up from the Jungle website. And then we can pop this XR80 together with the new valve in there. Wow, that exhaust is very clean. I'm really impressed with this. Where did I put it? Really impressed with this ultrasonic cleaning solution. It was $60, but it definitely worth its weight. Wow, that's nice. And what's the cylinder look like? Nice crosshatch on there from the dingle ball home. And yeah, most of the gasket is all off. Yeah, this thing is ready to roll. We'll just stick it back in here and let it chew for another half hour. And we'll catch you on the flipper. Hit the one right there. Yeah, that's the one that you want. Join the Beans Battalion.